It starts with a low sound, a buzzing or trumpeting sound coming from the sky. The person looks up, but sees nothing, no planes, no clouds. The sound is strange. It seems to come from everywhere and nowhere at the same time. Many people around the world have heard this mysterious sound. The question is, what is it? A natural phenomenon? A government experiment? Or something even more mysterious? This video will explore this modern mystery. The phenomenon first gained attention in 2011 when a video from Kiev, Ukraine, went viral. In the footage, a haunting metallic roar echoes across the city. Since then, reports have come from all over the world: the US, Canada, Germany, Mexico, the Philippines. Some say it sounds like a massive machine groaning underground. Others call it the trumpets of heaven. The sounds last from a few minutes to more than an hour, and they seem to come from nowhere. No planes, no storms, no construction, just a sound that doesn't belong there. Scientists have tried to explain it, but nothing fits perfectly. One theory is skyquakes, booming sounds caused by tectonic activity. But these sky sounds don't match earthquake zones. Another idea is atmospheric pressure shifts. When temperatures change rapidly, distant noises might travel farther. But that doesn't explain why so many people hear trumpet-like sound, metallic, loud, and terrifying. Then there's solar activity, magnetic storms from the sun interacting with the earth. Some say this could generate low-frequency hums. But again, it doesn't explain everything. The sounds are just too strange. Where science falls short, theories take over. Some point to HARP, a real US military research project. Is it testing weather manipulation? Sound weapons. Could these sounds be the side effects of a secret experiment? Others believe in the biblical prophecy. They say these are the trumpets of the apocalypse, signs of the end times. Then there's the most mind-bending theory of all, the simulation hypothesis. What if the world isn't real? What if reality is a simulation? And these strange sounds are glitches, errors in the system. People don't just hear these sounds, they feel them. Witnesses report anxiety, dizziness, even nausea. Animals hide, birds go silent. Something about these sounds triggers a primal fear. In one town, people ran out of their homes, convinced the world was ending. Psychologists say it may be instinct, our brains sensing a threat we can't explain, but maybe we're right to be afraid. What are these sky sounds, really? A rare natural phenomenon, a military experiment, a warning from something or someone. The truth is, we still don't know, but one thing is certain: the sky should not sound like this, and yet it does. Have you ever heard a strange sound in the sky? Or do you think it's all just imagination? Let us know in the comments. And if you love mysteries, real stories, and strange facts from around the world, subscribe, because this is just the beginning. The sky might be trying to tell us something.